The following instructions apply to the TR20, TR40, and TR70 multi-coax connectors. To properly install your TR multi-coax onto the PCB footprint, please follow the outlined steps. Prior to installing the TR multi-coax, it is necessary to inspect the TR PCB footprint. If the PCB is being used for the first time or as part of routine maintenance, it is recommended to clean the footprint area of the PCB as well. Remove the shipping cover and stiffener block from the TR assembly by loosening the thumb screws. When placing the TR multi-coax down, please ensure that the interface is not touched nor set directly upon any surface. With the stiffener bosses of the stiffener block aligned with the corresponding holes of the PCB, carefully apply hand pressure to press the bosses of the stiffener block into the PCB. Once the TR PCB footprint has been inspected and the stiffener block or PEM nuts have been mounted, the TR multi-coax connector may be installed. Locate the alignment dowels on the bottom of the TR assembly. Take note of the different diameter dowel pins as they will be used as a reference when alignment is made to the PCB. Gently push straight down on the TR strain relief and ground block to hold it in place. While holding the TR connector in place, alternate tightening the M2 thumb screws by hand. This should allow for proper seating on the PCB, although the screws need to be torqued in the next step. Use the torque limiting screwdriver with a 1.5 millimeter hex bit to tighten the screws to a nominal 1.5 inch-pounds. Alternate the tightening between the screws to prevent unevenness until the nominal 1.5 inch-pounds is reached on all of them. This concludes the TR multi-coax connector installation video guide. For any additional questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.